Welcome to today's video where I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Honor Magic V3, the world's slimmest foldable phone at just 4.35 millimeters thick. It comes with a flagship camera setup, an IP rating for water and dust resistance, and is powered by a top-tier chipset. If you've forgotten, my name is Maiky, and you're watching techmaiky. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage variant. But in the UK, only the 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage model was launched. Let's start by removing the plastic wrap from the box and opening the lid. We'll set the phone aside for a moment and check the other contents inside. In the box, you get a 66-watt supercharged power adapter, which comes in a unique round-shaped box. Along with that, there's a threaded data cable. Inside a larger box, you'll find the SIM ejector tool, user manuals, cards, and a protective case made of vegan leather, which provides a good grip when holding the phone. The case also has a unique feature, a section that you can pull out to turn it into a stand. Here, the camera module is in a hexagonal shape. Let's remove the plastic from the phone. This is the world's slimmest foldable phone. Honor has launched the new Magic V3, which is lighter, thinner, and more powerful than before. In this video, we'll see how light, thin, and powerful it is. First, let's look at the design. This is the vegan leather variant in orange. There are also options in white, black, and green, which come with a glass back. In this vegan leather version, the hinge and the 3-lens camera module have the same burst pattern design. On first impression, the phone feels very lightweight and thin. When folded, its thickness is 9.2 millimeters, and when unfolded, it's just 4.35 millimeters thick. The phone weighs only 226 grams, which is even lighter than the Samsung S24 Ultra. This makes it the world's thinnest, lightest, and largest foldable phone. It's even thinner than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Honor has used a self-developed Luban Shield steel hinge in the Magic V3 this time. Honor has also used a new customized material to make the design more attractive. This material is lighter and stronger, ensuring the phone remains durable despite its small size. The frame is made from Honor's self-developed 7 Series aluminum. The Magic V3 also features a 3rd-generation battery. For the first time in the industry, a silicon carbon anode battery with up to 10% silicon content is used. This increase in energy density allows the phone to have a large 5150 mAh battery, and the thickness of the battery cell is only 2.6 millimeters. The phone also supports 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. Every part of the phone has been made thinner, giving it a super thin and lightweight experience. This time, Honor has used King Kong lizard glass, so even if you don't use a screen protector, the chances of getting scratches during daily use are very low. The inner screen is also strong and durable. The inner screen uses Honor's King Kong flexible armor glass with a silicone gel material. Even after multiple folds, the crease on the screen is minimal. According to the company, the Honor Magic V3 has been tested to be folded 500,000 times and has received the Switzerland SGS Folding Reliability Certification. This means if you fold the screen 100 times a day, the phone will last for 13 years without any issues. This makes the phone robust and durable. It also comes with an IPX8 waterproof rating. This means the phone can survive in water up to 2.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. So, if it accidentally falls into water, like in a pool, it won't get damaged. You can also use the phone with wet hands, which is a very convenient feature. Now, what's the biggest benefit of a folding screen phone? It's the large display. The Honor Magic V3 has a 7.92-inch inner screen with a 10:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 2156 by 23344 pixels. It also has a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits. The outer screen is 6.43 inches with a 20:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1016 by 2376 pixels. The outer screen also has a peak brightness of up to 5000 nits. Both the outer and inner screens support a 1 to 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate, meaning the screen adjusts its refresh rate automatically for smoother performance. Additionally, it offers 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, providing outstanding display quality. Along with a great display, eye protection is also important, and Honor phones provide the highest level of eye protection. The phone features Oasis Eye Protection, AI Active Eye Care technology, and a 3840 Hz PWM dimming feature, along with various advanced eye care technologies. Now let's talk about the camera. The Honor Magic V3 has a flagship camera setup. It includes a primary 50-megapixel sensor with a 1.56-inch sensor size and a large f1.6 aperture, which is optically stabilized. There is also a secondary 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture. Finally, the phone has a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with an f3.0 aperture and optical stabilization. It supports 3x optical zoom, and you can see sample photos to check its quality. The phone also includes a satellite communication feature for voice calls and two-way satellite text messaging. This is useful in emergencies where there is no network coverage, though this feature might not be available outside of China. Since this is Honor's flagship phone, it comes with Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Since the Honor Magic V3 is a thin foldable phone, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's performance score might be lower compared to other flagship Snapdragon phones. However, games run smoothly on it. For example, Genshin Impact performs well on the inner screen. You can use the Super Split Screen feature, which provides a gaming experience similar to a regular phone, but with better controls. This feature also enhances video watching, giving you a better experience. The phone can be set at any angle, and there's a progress bar at the bottom area. For good gaming and performance, effective heat dissipation is important. The Honor Magic V3 uses Cicada Wing Titanium VC cooling system to maintain both thinness and cooling performance. After 30 minutes of playing Genshin Impact, the front temperature reaches up to 40.8 degrees Celsius, and the back temperature goes up to 38.4 degrees. The Honor Magic V3 runs on the newly upgraded Honor Magic OS 8.1, which is based on Android 14. It comes with several new features, including Honor Parallel Space. This feature allows you to securely store apps and photos in a private, password-protected space. In the UK, the 12GB RAM and 512GB storage version of the Honor Magic V3 is priced at £160.99. In Europe, it costs €199.99, which converts to approximately $2,232 US. In conclusion, the Honor Magic V3 offers outstanding features: a super slim and lightweight design, IPX8 waterproof rating, a periscope camera, wireless charging, and a large screen experience. So what do you think about the Honor Magic V3? Which feature do you like the most, and what price do you think it should launch at? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the latest tech updates. Have a great day and keep smiling.